In this session, we're going to discuss encryption. Encryption is a mechanism that's used to protect data where those who may use or access the data cannot be trusted. One-way cryptographic functions include hashing, digital signatures, certificate generation and renewals, as well as key exchanges. Hashing is the generation of a value or a set of values from a string using a mathematical function. A digital signature is a mathematical technique used to validate the authenticity and integrity of a message. Content-aware encryption is used to encrypt sensitive information within a message. For example, the encryption of a credit card number within an email being sent to a law enforcement agency. Content-aware encryption understands the data type and the format and can be used to prevent data loss by encrypting the data based on policies. Format preservation encryption preserves the format of the data after encryption and can be used to enable the processing of encrypted data. Encrypting primary keys of databases makes searching for data more difficult. Tokenization can be a much more effective way of storing unique keys required to search for data within a database. Where it may be necessary to prove that a user has access to or has supplied the right information, consider storing a hash of the data as opposed to the data itself. Data anonymization refers to the process of stripping out personal identifiable information or sensitive personal information before the data is stored. Tokenization could be used to create a reference to data within a private cloud environment, which is then stored in a public cloud platform. Accidental public disclosure refers to the making of data more readily available as a result of inadequate data protection. Compelled disclosure refers to the process of having to respond to a subpoena requesting or requiring data disclosure. Government disclosure refers to the release of data to government entities or departments. Misuse of user or network profiles relates to the process of mining or analyzing network traffic in order to derive access to sensitive information. In SQL databases, use grant and revoke statements to control access of accounts to data. In most cases, cloud database controls provide adequate user segregation. Encryption protects data from privileged users such as system administrators. Encryption can enable organizations to comply with legal statutes. Database encryption increases complexity and performance overheads. Digital rights management encrypts content and applies a series of rights that determines how the content can be used.